controlling elements. Nothing but widgets we're going to use, right? That's used to create the form controlling elements. Okay. Actually, we have two types of widgets. Okay, but we can control the elements in the form in two types. This is not in your syllabus. Just I'm briefing out here. Okay, we have two types of controlling elements. One is operational element. Second one is controlling element. Controlling elements. Okay, one is operational, second is controlling. So what are all the tags comes under operational elements? Only two widgets, right? Two elements comes under operational. One is label. One is label. Second one is message box. Message box. These are the two elements comes under operational. And many elements what we're going to use, right, in normal forms, right? So all comes under controlling elements, right? Text input, text input control, text input control, then uh, like choice control. Third one is buttons, video buttons, video buttons. Fourth one is text boxes, text boxes. Then fifth one is we will get specialized control. Okay, if you want to add many more things, right? Specialized and numbers and range, then date and time. These are some of the input controls, nothing but controlling elements. Right? These are some of the controlling elements we will see now. Okay, to start with first one, that is text input control. We start with the first one, text input control. You guys already seen now. I have already explained this what text input control is, right? So as you can see, type is what? Text, right? So here this is the example for first controlling element, right? So in place of h1, I can do label. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, I lost the connection. Now it's audible.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sharing my screen. It's visible, right, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I was explaining, yes, we are explaining this one, right? First one, text input. So input type equal to text, right? So placeholder, enter name, maximum length, everything we have seen. And in last program, right? Earlier I have used h1. That is the HTML tag I have used. Now I am using the same form element here, label, right? So what h1 is doing, the same thing label will do, but h1 what it was doing, simply it was displaying the text login in the bolder format, and the size will be the somewhat bigger. Now if you use the label, the text login, this is the data we are given under this label, right? So this content will be displayed in normal way, nothing but as it is, it will display there. See, I go to form, I will refresh, you can see, right? So now this one, yes, right? So the same thing, input type equal to text, placeholder. So if you want to create this type of thing, okay, I will display, I will just change this one to username, that is USN. Okay, you will do, right? So USN, and here next will be the name. In most of the forms you will see this one in our college, right? So USN and name, just go to and replace this will change USN and name. Here you will give your USN and you will give your name and submit, right, to create this form. Now what, below this I want to create a text area. Text area means 500 words, okay, some space to write some content. For that we have to use what, text area. We have to use text area. This is the element you're going to use. Okay, text area, then followed with placeholder. If you want, you can keep any placeholder here. Placeholder, like enter the text within 500 words. Okay, this you want to display there. Then rows equal to 10, and columns equal to 30. Okay, I will just do this thing, right? So I will close this, I will close the text area. Okay, we'll see. Go to the file, save. Here, refresh. See, you got this one, right? So you want this submit to be come next to that, we have to use what? Break. Break tag we have to use. So again, go to file, save, refresh. You can write 500 words. 500 words, right? So text area is created on text area. Placeholder, enter the text within 500 words. Rows equal to 10, columns equal to 30, and it should not exceed 500 words. So max length equals 500. That's it. Maximum length is 500. So the constraint is what? We're going to add the 500 words. After 500 words, if you try to add 500 one character, it will not take, right? Text area. Like this, we're going to create here email, then URL, search, password. You already seen here, like password and text is done. Text area is done. In the same way, you're going to create your email. You're going to use the URL, right? So some of the elements, okay, some of the different types we're going to use under this input text, input controlling. Okay, and so you can see here label, text login, it is displayed here. Okay, it is not in highlighted format, right? It's not in highlighted format. If you use the h1 in place of label, it will display in bolder format, highlighted format, it will display, right? This is what the first one, that is text input. Text input. Yes. Stop recording.